that looks promising. So does that. Do we trust it? Let's see what they've got going on over here. Flat. Yeah, let's load it up. We'll do this.
You say it's not cold, it's like... I think I'm ready to do this. You ready to do this?
It's gonna be cold.
Shaky. Oh. Okay. No, I should have. Oh, well, thank you for watching, guys. I know it was kind of a short one today, but we had a flipping good trip. It's 36 degrees, 38-degree water, no sunshine,
A little bit of snow.
a little bit of snow, and it's still a fucking good day.
A whole lot of fun.
See you next time. Well, thanks for watching along, guys. I know it was a short one today, but it was a little bit of a... No. Not a little bit of a...
And like that, it's a wrap.
I don't even know if I'm fucking recording.
No, you definitely are.
Am I?
Yeah, I
All right.
see the timer at the top going. I do believe the cold has gone to our brains.
Yeah. I don't know what am I even saying right now? I don't even know.